Now, we will discuss about collisions. There are two types of collisions, elastic collision and inelastic collision. In collisions, momentum is conserved. We use formula m1v1 equal to m2v2. Let's talk about elastic collisions. When we play badminton, the objects involved remain separated. Collisions are bouncy, total kinetic energy and momentums are conserved. In inelastic collision, the objects become one mass. They stick and move together after collide. The momentum is conserved. However, total kinetic energy before and after collision is not the same. Kinetic energy converted to another energy such as sound and heat energy. In the first experiment, both objects have the same mass, and after a head-on elastic collision, the object initially at rest is moving, and the object initially moving is at rest. Thus, the two objects' momentum is conserved. In the second experiment, both objects have the same mass and velocity. After collision occurs, the two objects bounces off each other with no loss in speed. This collision is perfectly elastic because no energy has been lost. In this scene, the mass between the objects is not equal, and the collision occurs when the tree is at rest and the car is at a certain velocity. After a collision occurs, the objects, which are a tree and a car, stick together. There is only one final velocity, and this situation will lead to a complete inelastic collision. Thus, the kinetic energy is not conserved. Two villains are chasing a kid at a high speed. The objects have a maximum amount of kinetic energy and stick together after colliding. As we can see, the kinetic energy is converted to heat and sound energy, causing the explosion and producing a very loud sound. In this scene, a rock is thrown towards Mr. Incredible. After the collision, both Mr. Incredible and rock separated and moves at different directions. Kinetic energy is conserved, where the total before and after kinetic energy are the same. That's all from us. Big thanks to Pixar Animation Studios for producing the Incredibles movie. Thank you!